So I route a bit into the hemp didge to create a 35mm mouthpiece. It was originally 28mm. I have grown out of the 28mm mouthpiece, and with a wider mouthpiece I find I can get different sounds. So here I'm filing and giving it a sand. Then I'm putting some linseed oil on it, and then I'll sit it in the sun and let it soak, and then give it another coat with beeswax and linseed oil. Zoom up. Beautiful, look at that, 35mm. Alright, let's see how it plays. 35mm from a 28mm mouthpiece. Beautiful. That's the Sound of Hemp from John there. What an amazing didge. That's a key of E. Beautiful. I opened up the mouthpiece, made it from 28 to now 35. It's beautiful. He showed me how to do it. Very happy with it. I sort of outgrew the 28mm. The 35 allowed me to give it a bit more sound, so cleaned it up. Beauty.